Hey there YouTube. I decided to start my first video on mathematics by showing some basic information on how to multiply two-digit numbers by 11 quickly in your head. This is a very basic place to start. There's not much work you have to do on it. And let me go ahead and show you how it's done. Now take this first example here. We have 25 times 11. In this case we just ignore the 11 and we look at the 25. And what we do is we write down a 2 and a 5, leaving a space in between. We have this empty space right in there, and in there all we do is we add the 2 and the 5 together to get 7, and we write that down in the center, and that is our answer, 275. It really is that simple to multiply numbers by 11. Now let me go ahead and show you another example here. Here we have 72 times 11. In this case it's a 7 and a 2, and then we add 7 and 2 together to get 9, and we write 9 right in the center. Once again, that is our answer. I know I'm not doing these longhand, but if you wanted me to real quick, in this case, sorry about my horrible drawings here, we have 72 times 11, so that gives us a 7 and a 2 there, carry a 0. Now we have another 7 and a 2, and we add them up, and that's going to give us 792, which is of course the same as our initial answer. Let's do 2 more real quick. We have 41 times 11, and if you want to give that a try real quick in your head, 3, 2, 1. If you got 451, that is the correct answer. Once again, walking you through it, we write the 4 there, which we get there, and the 1 on this side, and what we have in the center is 4 plus 1, which gives us 5, and then we stick that right in the middle. And for our last example here, we have 52 times 11, so that would be a 5 there, a 2 there, and then we add the 5 and the 2 together to get 572. And this really is a simple technique. There are more complex techniques that I'm going to go into, but this is a good place for a beginner to start. And you can do this in your head really quickly, like 63 times 11 in my head without even really thinking about it and talking to the camera is 693. And you can verify any of these answers with a calculator if you want. I guarantee they're absolutely correct. That's my first basic video on Vedic mathematics. I'm going to do more videos very soon, but this, more than anything, was a test of the screen capture stuff. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.